How to delete Digistore24 account in 2024. If you'd like to delete your Digistore24 account, it is actually quite very simple to do so. First, you want to log into your Digistore dashboard, which is digistore24-app.com. Once you log into your Digistore24 account, just go to the account option from the top right and click on it, and from there you'll find the option called details. So just go to the details option. Once you go to the details option and you're on this page, all you have to scroll all the way to the very bottom, and right there you'll find a small option that says delete account. So just click on the delete account button. On the next page, it will ask you for a confirmation. So in this box, we just have to type in the word delete in big bold letters. And once done, we also have to simply enter our current password. Once we enter our current password, click on the save option and your Digistore24 account will be successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to delete or close your Digistore24 account. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.